gender reveal ng first baby ni Gianna. At due siya manganak this coming December. Say hi.
I'm so nervous.
The birthday girl. Ngayon mo lang malalaman yung ano.
Yeah.
Ngayon lang talaga malalaman yung gender ng baby niya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Sabi ko na, it's a boy! Tama! Tama nga, it's a boy! Reverse eh. Sabi ko, red, pero deep inside me, it's a boy.